What's up guys, welcome back, man. We are doing a quick video today, quick cell phone video. You guys know how it is. I don't really have much going on. I'm gonna go and try to get some things that we can get some stuff done this weekend, you know what I'm saying? So for starters is my power steering pump here. So I need to go and get a fitting that will fit inside of that spot right there that I can run an AN line. What size is it? Looks like a crescent to me there, buddy. Also need to get fittings for the steering box right here so I can run my power steering, and I'm just gonna do it all with AN line, kind of the same. Like, I'm gonna try to do the same setup that Braven just had on for his truck. All right, yeah, so I need to get something that will screw into there, and that one's bigger. Lovely. Anyhow, I'm gonna take this one with me, and then I think they have a kit for the steering box at Speedway, so hopefully. So I just got off the phone with Brent over at Outlaw. That is the place that I placed my order for the headers for the Blazer. So it turns out that they just came in today, bro. So that's where we're gonna go first. I'm heading over to Outlaw. We're gonna go pick up the headers for the Blazer. Finally, man. I'm freaking excited. What the hell? Why do you wait till the cars are coming? Numbnuts. All right, just pulled up to Outlaw and we have received our box, man. So these are made by Speed Engineering. I opened them up really quick. He recommended I open them up inside, make sure that they look good and everything. So anyhow, I'll show you guys these better whenever we get to the house. But for now, I need to rush over to Speedway because they close in like an hour. If you guys are wondering why it is I'm always rushing around to pick stuff up before places close, because honestly, right now it's already after 5 o'clock. A lot of these places close at like 5, 6 o'clock. Before we just came here to pick up the headers, I had to go drop Bear off at Gabby's house. So I have Bear every single day, Monday through Friday. And Gabby doesn't get off of work until 5 o'clock. So she normally doesn't pick him up, or I drop him off at her house until 5:30. So I'm always just rushing, bro. I drop Bear off and I'm rushing to go and do these things that I can't do while I have him, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's the reason why I'm always rushing around trying to get stuff done before places close. All right, leaving Speedway. I'm gonna put my receipt upside down so I'm not showing my damn address, man. Dude, all these little fittings. So I got the fittings hopefully for my fuel system. I'm gonna go over these whenever we get to the house, but for the fuel system and for the power steering. But all this came out to over $100, bro, just for these stupid little fittings. But anyhow, we need them. Doink. All right, now back home. Home, yes, I'm home. Yep, it's me. I'm here. Toby wants his ball. Ow! You got my finger, you little brat. I was gonna throw it, but you freaking got it. We are back at the house, got all of our stuff. So I was able to actually take the power steering pump with me. We checked that fitting. I think that was this one. Yeah, so got that. Bang, bang. So now my power steering pump is a -6. All the rest of these fittings are for my fuel system. So this is supposed to go onto a stock, like the hard line. You know what I'm saying? Like this screws onto the hard line. So it's got a ferrule in there. You slide this onto the hard line and you slide the ferrule onto it, and then you screw this thing onto the front, and then you tighten it all down, and it's supposed to cinch itself onto your hard line. And then I'll have a -6 fitting on the front that I can run -6 fuel lines. These two fittings, on the other hand, are for the steering box, and I'm gonna get to try those right now. Hopefully, I'm really hoping that these are the right size, because they had so many different sizes that it could be. So let's go check it out. And bam. All right, so that's the right size, but I took that hose with me. I had this piece with me so that we were able to try it. It's this one that I'm not sure of, and it fits. Hell freaking yeah. Bam, now my steering box is -6 AN, and as you just seen, we got a -6 AN fitting for the power steering pump, and the other side will just go on with a hose clamp. Bang, bang. All right, now for the headers, man. So like I said, these are from Speed Engineering. I ordered these directly from Outlaw. Bam! Boy, there it is, man. So the problem with S10s, and well, with a lot of trucks, but especially S10s because it's such a smaller truck, is trying to get a header to fit on the side of the steering shaft. So the steering area right here, as you can see, is extremely tight. And I'm not gonna lie, bro, it doesn't look like, it don't even look like those headers are gonna fit, but we're gonna find out. So the thing is I am using S10 engine mounts. So these mounts came from Dirty Dingo, and while I was down there talking to them about getting the bracket for my alternator and stuff, I mentioned to them that I'm going to have to get another set of mounts from them for the truck now, because I robbed the truck mounts to use on the Blazer. The guy in there mentioned to me that the Blazer mounts are different than the truck mounts, that the Blazer mounts are shorter. So, you know, I have my exhaust ports all covered up with, this is the bracket that I use for lifting the engine. But yeah, my exhaust ports come out right where this big old bulky ass thing is at. So yeah, worst case scenario, I have to run down to Dirty Dingo and go get a set of actual Blazer mounts. He's explaining to me that I guess, I think it's like this pad right here. Do you see where the mount bolts? Like this whole raised section right here. Do you see there's a gap between it? I guess the truck doesn't have that raised section. We're gonna go look right now. Oh, yep. Good Lord, you can tell a difference right away. So the mounts for the truck just go straight on to this K member or cross member, whatever you'd call it, where the Blazer out there has that whole raised section. So yeah, that's the difference between the mounts. Yeah, that sucks, dude. I'm probably definitely gonna have to go and get another set of mounts. Damn it. Anyhow, these headers are freaking dope, man. They're not the ones that I want. The ones that I want are a little bit bigger tubed, and they're mid-length. They're a little longer, but these are going to do for now. This is going to get us up and running, you know what I'm saying? And it comes with the little portion for, you know, to run the exhaust. It has the place to actually bolt up the O2 sensors, and it's V-band, so it's pretty sick, dude. Not to mention, they were relatively cheap. I don't remember how much. I think it was like 240 bucks for these. The ones that I want to get are like 340 bucks. It was only another $100, but I had already ordered these by the time that I found those other ones. I think I found them on like Jegs or something. Hey, Braven's home.
Hi guys.
What's going on, dog?
You don't caught me in the act, man.
What are you doing over here? So actually, they didn't get to see this. So this is, well, I mean, they did in the fabBot video, but this is the cover that I had on mine, and we traded. So his engine came with this squared up cover like I had mentioned in a previous video. So we traded because, I don't know, I feel like the squared up one looks pretty dope on the Blazer, where the round one just kind of fits the Colorado a little better.
I think I like the round one a little bit more.
Dude, did you see that I sent you about the shaved manifold?
Oh, dude, we gotta
that looks
do that.
freaking sick,
we
huh?
do that for real.
Though then again, I kind of like having the cover. Like, I like that OEM look of it, but I don't know.
Yeah.
I think I kind of want to shave one. Should look really nice.
We should try one.
Anyhow, what is your plan for the weekend, Braven?
I gotta try to get this thing running this weekend. Hopefully, you know, there's not really much, just basically coolant lines and fuel line, and then just wiring. So
wiring, fuel, coolant, and should be up and running.
Yeah, should be done.
Yeah, it sounds easy.
Sounds easy. I mean, it always sounds better.
It's probably not gonna be, but you know what? It is what it is. And my plan for the weekend is to get this entire freaking workbench right here cleared off. So in other words, I need to put all this on the Blazer. We got power steering, we got the alternator, the power steering and alternator bracket from Dirty Dingo. I still haven't found out who sent me these valve covers, but I'm going to try to get these valve covers on. I think they sit a little bit taller, which might become a problem as far as space from the valve cover to the actual brake master cylinder. But of course, we have our hooker headers freaking steering shaft like I just talked about. This is hopefully going to give us enough room to be able to fit our headers in there. And then I have all the fuel fittings and everything. I got some PTFE line and some more different, you know, AN fittings and stuff. Like, just all this I am hoping to get installed onto the Blazer if we can get as far as the radiator, that would be amazing. Because if the radiator is going on, that means this thing has a core support. Also got my serpentine belt, bang bang. And as you guys know, I've also got a wiring harness and ECU and stuff to put on the truck. So I don't know, we'll see how far I get this weekend. Who knows, man? If we get as far as putting that damn harness and everything on, that means this thing's gonna be firing up. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little update video. Sorry I didn't have anything else for you today, and I needed to do some running around and go pick up my freaking headers, and I figured I'd take you guys with me. Make sure to throw it in the comments down below what it is you guys are doing this weekend. I'll be going through the comments. I'm most certainly interested to hear about it. Peace out, guys, and I'll see you on Monday. Later there, Ruggy.
Later, guys. No, but y'all ain't gonna see me on Monday. I'm gonna be driving away in the Colorado. So peace out.
Easier said than done, my friend.